Good morning! Kakaisip ko lang. Check na natin yung meal prep ko. KAMOOOON! So, good morning! Ang breakfast natin ay... This is creme brulee French toast. OMG! Tapos may kasama siyang iced coffee, guys. Naka-bottle siya ng coffee na parang cold brew. Tapos, ang ginawa ko lang, nilagay ko sa ice, tapos nilagyan ko ng almond milk. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Mix, mix, mix. Late na talaga ako. Sorry kung matagal ako. Sorry ko short lang, guys. Late na talaga ako. I have to go. Later, lunchtime, chikahan tayo, okay? Alright, guys. Snack time. Kakatapos na meeting ka yung first shift ko na client. My God, konting hours na lang for the week. Tapos na tayo. Come on. Hey guys, it's lunchtime and we are having, believe it or not, oh my God, chicken katsu curry with brown rice. Ito yung chicken katsu. Tapos OMG, ito yung Japanese curry sauce. Hindi ko to deserve, sis. Come on. I-pour na natin. Yeah. Guys, we have to try this. Ang tagal ko rin, alam mo yung last na curry ko was yabu. Pero doon favorite ko menchi katsu curry. Yung menchi, yung pork and beef na ground, tapos topped with imported cheddar cheese. OMG, now we're having chicken katsu curry. Yes! Sana maanghang siya. Gusto ko siya maanghang. Come on, i-try na natin. Ang sarap. May panori yung rice. Hindi siya maanghang. Pero, lasa pag authentic ng ating curry sauce. Anyways, grabe ang productive for the whole week. Like, first time, okay, na ganito, na Friday, na wala na ako masyadong habulin. I swear. Sana consistent. Alright guys, dinner time. Kakatapos na ng aking webinar. Meron pa ako in a few minutes, 20 minutes na kalamansi live podcast session. So this is like Korean noodles, japchae siya with this fish cake. So lagyan na natin yung sauce ng fish cake and let's just eat quickly kasi hello, time crunch, come on. Pero bukas masulawag ang aking schedule. Makakapagplano na ako for my content for next week. Mga training programs ko for VAs and social media managers next week. Lahat aayusin ko bukas. Yun, so come on. Masarap naman siya. Pero feeling ko hindi ako mabubusog sa kanya. Anyways guys, I have to really run na. Meron pa ako live cast. Bye! So, yun lang po for today. Thank you so much na busog ako. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!